Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tamarind lollipop at home. Start by soaking tamarind and straining pulp, then combine pulp, sugar, and seasoning in a saucepan. Stir constantly while simmering until the mixture thickens to a candy consistency. Spoon rounds on a parchment, insert sticks, and let cool fully before wrapping. Follow the steps carefully and enjoy a perfectly balanced tangy, sweet, and spicy. Collect all ingredients and prep your workspace before you begin heating. Measure tamarind pulp, sugar, and spices to balance sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. Line a tray with parchment and have lollipop sticks ready. Use a candy thermometer if you have one and keep a bowl of cold water nearby to test syrup. Safety matters, so use mitts and clear the area to avoid accidents during candy making. Combine pulp and sugar and cook gently, stirring constantly to avoid scorching, then increase heat briefly to thicken. Test with a spoon so the syrup clings and reaches candy stage. A thermometer reading around 240 degrees F is ideal if you have one. Quickly drop rounds onto parchment, press sticks in place, and allow the lollipops to cool hard. Store in airtight containers or wrap individually for gifting or sale with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.